Hey, do you want to learn how to quilt, but you're a little intimidated by the process? Or maybe you started and a quilt police person has come by and told you that your seams are wrong and your points have been knocked off. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm getting ready to start my Cut, Sew, Grow Club, and I can't wait for you to join me. We will be doing all kinds of fun projects, from quilts, pillows, bags, wearables, you name it. We're going to have a lot of fun. In fact, our first project will be this fun little quilt using 1 or 2 charm packs. This one actually is 2 charm packs to help you master that scant 1/4 inch and get those seams sewn on straight and your borders to lay flat. We'll be doing everything from piecing it together to self-quilting it and binding, so you'll get off to an awesome start. That'll take us probably about a month to do. I think you can do it. We're also going to do things like this fun placemat for Halloween. Isn't that great? Wonky log cabin, where you don't have to be super precise, but you still get to have fun and you still learn specific techniques. Or how about a vinyl sewing bag, where you have a beautiful fabric that you are going to quilt. We'll sew the vinyl, learn how to install a zipper and bind it. And you can add the optional handle. I know this one isn't done yet, but it will be soon. How about this barn door quilt using a jelly roll? It's going to be awesome. And if you're afraid to start because you've never sewn before, don't worry, I've got you covered. I have prepared some videos that are on my website and also on my YouTube channel, Quilts Are My Passion, so that you can learn those skills and follow along with confidence. Remember, these are just skills you haven't learned yet, and the more you practice, the more fun it's going to be. I can't wait for you to join me. I'll see you on the inside. Bye.